What's going on today, guys? Eddie from Eddie Studios here, and I'd like to talk to you about how to make fun in-camera transitions using your phone for Instagram Reels. It's really simple, and in this video, I'm going to show a little behind the scenes of me doing it so you can kind of see my movements, and then you'll see the finished product of how I cut it together. It's really fun. I did shoot my behind the scenes footage using the DJI Osmo Pocket 2. I shot a full video on that. I'll link that right up in a card above. And check that out. Let me know what you think. The DJI Osmo Pocket 2 is great for behind the scenes. We also did a full action sequence using it that I posted last week, and you should check that as well. Then I'll link that up in another card. I'd love to make more stuff with this device. I'm actually shooting this video with the Osmo Pocket 2 right now, and I'm using the microphone from it. You'll have to let me know what you think about the sound and the video quality. I usually shoot my videos on my Sony a6600, but this thing is super handy, so I throw it right in here, and it makes it so easy to just shoot a quick video, and then I can pop the video over to my phone, do a quick edit on my phone, and sneak it right up to YouTube or Instagram or whatever I want it loaded onto. It's so simple. These Instagram Reels videos with in-camera transitions are super easy. I always like to film them first and then upload them to Reels. I don't like messing around with like the Reels transitions and the stuff they have in there. It's a little bit more finicky. I like to personally be able to decide where my cuts are and everything like that, and you can do a lot of fun stuff with just jump cuts. This adds a little bit of a fun camera movement to the jump cut so that it looks like my character, which is my daughter, is passing right through the floor to the kitchen. My editor that I'm using on my phone is Power Director. I did pay for it, but there is a free version of it. Power Director is probably one of the most powerful phone editors I've ever used, so check it out. I'll set a link for that in the description below. Don't forget to like this video if you really enjoy it, and subscribe to the channel to see more fun stuff along the way. But here we go with my behind the scenes and the finished product for my Instagram Reels video.